travel by train without a confirmed seat. Many reserved seats stay empty.
They stand for hours, crowded, tired, just to reach their destination. The information exists in charts, but finding it is confusing and difficult. What if AI could do this instantly? Kaylee Railseat uses intelligent analysis to detect vacant seats between stations. Simple, fast, fair, less crowding, less stress. Kaylee Railseat, turning unused seats into opportunity for real travellers.
Kali Rail Seat uses intelligent analysis to detect vacant seats between stations. Simple, fast, fair,